Hello, my name is Carlos Morales-Diaz, and this is my screencast for the bootloader. So in my directory, I have a makefile and two folders containing the S file for each architecture. I will now show the contents of my makefile. So inside my makefile, I have the commands to generate the needed files. For i386, I start by using the assembler to generate the output file using the S file, and then I use the linker to generate the binary file from the output file. I also specify where the start is and the address 0x7c00, which is where the bootloader is. Then for the ARM, I generate the output file using the assembler, specifying the machine architecture as ARMv4. Then I use the linker to generate the L file, again specifying the start address. And then I use objcopy to copy the text part of the L file into the binary file. Both of these binary files will be used in the qemu command. I also have a clean command so that I can remove the files generated. So now I will run make to generate the files, and these are the files that it generated. Now I will test them with qemu commands to show that it shows the corresponding lemon log message. So I'm testing the i386 first. As you can see, it has a message. And similarly, I will test the ARM image file. Again, as you can see, it outputs the correct message. I also ran GDB to show that I'm copying the bootloader to the RAM appropriately. Thank you.